two powerful CRM tools, both claiming to revolutionize your sales process. But which one actually wins out? On one side, the intuitive and flexible Freshsales, and on the other, the automation powerhouse, ActiveCampaign. We're testing them in areas that truly count: features, automation, ease of use, integrations, pricing, and more. Forget the marketing jargon, let's see how they stack up in real-world scenarios. Each round will award points, so by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out ahead. And trust me, the winner might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's how I'm breaking this down. We're looking at pricing, automation power, core CRM features, email and campaigns, integrations, and of course, ease of use. If you're visual like me, imagine a big web of these categories connecting both platforms. Simple, right? Alright, let's start at the top. Let's talk pricing. So Freshsales totally wins here. You get transparent tiered pricing, and get this, there's actually a free tier for small teams. Pretty friendly, huh? Some of their advanced goodies are locked behind higher plans, but the essentials are there. Meanwhile, ActiveCampaign, well, flexible add-ons and cool discounts for annual payment, yeah, but the price gets wild as your contact list grows. No free plan either, so you're paying from day one. Now, automation. This is where ActiveCampaign flexes. Their automation builder, it's honestly best in class. It feels like you can automate basically any part of your marketing life, and it runs across email, SMS, social, you name it. The setup can get a bit intense if you're new, but once it clicks, it sings. Freshsales does include workflows and fancy AI lead scoring, which is nice, but if you want the really deep marketing automation, you'll notice some limits. CRM features. Let's be real. Freshsales is literally built for this. Sales pipeline management, a slick interface, even integrated phone calling and email tracking. It shines for sales teams. Now, ActiveCampaign? Sure, there's CRM stuff like deals and contact management, but it's kind of basic. If you want the full sales tracking suite, you're looking at upgrades, and even then, it's just not as snappy. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the first CRM was launched way back in 1986? Basically a digital Rolodex. Wild to think how far these tools have come, right? Alright, email and campaigns. ActiveCampaign pretty much dominates. The automation, the personalization, even dynamic content. It's next level. If you live in your email, you'll love it. Sometimes it's a bit much for smaller teams, I won't lie, but the power is wild. Freshsales keeps it pretty simple, ready-made templates and basic reporting, but the segmentation and campaign tools just don't compare. Next up, integrations. This is actually closer than you'd think. Freshsales plugs right into the whole Freshworks ecosystem and major apps, and there's an API if you want to get fancy. But yeah, it's not as sprawling as some of the big marketing CRMs. ActiveCampaign, massive app marketplace. Tons of native hooks, especially for e-commerce, social, even SMS. Sometimes though, you'll find the best integrations locked on higher tiers. So honestly, I'd call this one a tie. Ease of use. Freshsales feels easy breezy. The setup is fast, UI is super intuitive, and you can get a team up and running in like no time. Downside is you can only customize so much unless you're paying for higher plans. ActiveCampaign? The dashboard looks clean, and if you're a marketer, you'll probably vibe with it. But oh man, once you dive into advanced features, hope you're ready for a learning curve. Let's step back and look at the big picture. You can actually see Freshsales pulling ahead on pricing, CRM strengths, and just being a breeze to use. But for automation and email campaigns, ActiveCampaign nails it. Integrations? Funnily enough, they're pretty much neck and neck. So, if most of your work is sales-focused and you just want something easy, affordable, and fuss-free, Freshsales all the way. On the other hand, if you're a marketing whiz who wants next-level automation and loves crafting fancy email journeys, ActiveCampaign is honestly hard to beat. For what it's worth, I lean Freshsales as the winner for most people, unless your whole life is marketing automation. If this helped clear things up, even a little, don't forget to follow for more breakdowns and honest reviews. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.